Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For those of you who are new, welcome to our channel. My name is Lizette, and here on our channel we talk about makeup, beauty, fashion, and everything in between. So hit the red subscribe button and of course click the bell notification to be notified of when I upload. For those of you who've been watching me for a while, I know I say it in every video, but thank you so much. I really do appreciate the support. So let's talk about how to apply false lashes with a tool. So I asked on my community page a few weeks ago what videos you guys wanted to see more of, and how to apply false lashes was what you guys wanted to see with a tool, and the tool being tweezers, handy dandy tweezers. So I'm going to show you guys right now how I apply my false lashes with tweezers. It's quick. It's easy, but it does take some practice. It did take practice, a lot of practice, for me to learn how to apply false lashes, so I want you guys to keep that in mind. It wasn't like I just did it one day and I got it. I had to keep on practicing, and I had to use different methods in order for me to get comfortable with applying false lashes. So I do want to put that out there. But I'm going to show you guys a quick, simple, fast, easy way for you to apply false lashes. I love false lashes. I believe they go with any look. Let me stop rambling and get right into the video. So I hope you guys enjoy it and stay tuned. Okay, now I'm gonna zoom you all the way in so you can get a close-up view of how I put on my lashes. Now it's focused. It's easy to focus. And this is about as close as I can get. So the thing I do first is I put a very, very thin line of eyeliner on. And I'm going to have a mirror here because I look down usually when I'm doing this part. So I just put a very, very thin line, very, very close to my natural lashes. For liner, I use a Maybelline Line Stiletto. It is my favorite. I've been using it for the longest. It's probably like my 10th bottle. See, a very, very thin line like that. You can barely even almost see the line because it's very, very close to my natural lashes. Now for the next step, I use a little bit of mascara just so that my natural lashes and the false lashes kind of blend together. Some people put it on afterward, mascara. I put it on before. I think it looks more natural. So I just put a very, very thin coat on. Very, very thin. Not a whole lot, just a very, very thin coat. And you can use any mascara. The mascara I'm using is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Curvitude mascara in the color black. See, pretty much that's it. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my false lashes. I'm gonna take one side. I've been using these a lot. These are my favorite. These are the Ardell number 110 lashes. I love the 110 and the 109 lashes. Those are my absolute favorite. Now, if they have glue on them, which mine do, I'm just gonna lightly take some of the glue off. Just real quick. And make sure you bend the lashes like this. Make sure you bend them, simply because it gives it's easier for you to apply, and because our natural eye shape obviously is curved, it's not straight. So if the lashes are straight, then it's going to be much harder for you to apply them. And you're going to put one side down and the other side's not going to be stuck, and it's going to be a mess. I had to learn that. Just give the lashes like a little bit, you see? Just curve them a little bit. they'll go on your eyes so much easier. And then for the glue, I use the Strip Lash Adhesive from LASH COUTURE. This is a brush-on glue. It looks like this. See? And you just brush it on. So I'm trying to get this in focus too as well. I usually put a little bit extra at the front because the front usually likes to come up for me. Front right there, looks like that. And now for the tool that I love to use. The tool that I love to use is these tweezers. These are from FARAH brushes. They have some nice tweezers, or any set of tweezers that you have. Any kind will do. And I usually will grab them right in the middle like this. See, it's like that. I know it may be out of focus because the camera's focused on me, but it looks like that. Grab them right in the middle. And then I blow on them for about 35 seconds. And then once I'm done, then I just put them on. I'm gonna show you guys how I put them on. Okay, now that it's been about 35 seconds, I will take my mirror. I'm just using any mirror from an eyeshadow palette. And I'm gonna look down into the mirror and then I'm gonna place it right in the middle. See, like that. And then I'm gonna use the tweezers to grab the end. Secure it on the end. Press down. Keep on making sure it's secure. And then the front. Now with the front, I just place it right down. And then I go like that. And do that, and then I just make sure everything is secure. Now, as I mentioned, the front part here for me usually will like to come up, so I'll give it a few seconds for it to dry. In the meantime, I'm just looking down in the mirror and just making sure that it's on my lashes securely. Then I look into the mirror to see how they look. They look. And then what I'm gonna do, I've pretty much given them like a few seconds to dry, and I'm just gonna go over it with another little coat of eyeliner. And that's it. Now I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side again. Take the glue off these lashes. Then I'm gonna curve them again. Go like that. Make sure they're all nice and neat and most of the glue is off. I'm gonna again take my lash adhesive. This is really good glue because this literally stays. Like my lashes with this glue stay on like forever until I take them off at the end of the day. And then grab my tweezers, put it right in the middle, blow on it for about 35 seconds and then place it on. And when I did the other eye, secure it in the middle first, then grab the end, make sure the end is secure, and then I secure the front. Got stuck. All right, and there you are. There are your lashes. Now I'm going to do my bottom lashes, finish up my makeup, and I will be right back. And that is it for how I apply false lashes with a tool, the tool being tweezers. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it on social media with all of your friends who also love to wear false lashes, or anyone who might need help. Sharing is caring. And of course, subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Click the bell notification, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!
You want to do that again?
No, just pull it up. Pull the camera. There we go.
All that has to be cut out though.
Honey, I will. I'll cut all of it out. The lower